A lot of rust needs to be fixed. Let me get the light. As you can see, we have rust issues. Oh, exhaust tip. Exhaust tip. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, come on. That's more like it. Whoa. Oh, there's a hole here also. Maybe that was the water tank. The joy of old cars. They are badly corroded to the point that they are so thin they are almost non-existent. Yes, there is a lot of rust, but I'm actually quite surprised the more I work on this car, how fairly little rust it actually got. It's just very localized, extreme rust. I have been doing some rust repairs underneath here, and I had to put on a new panel. And sometimes it's easier to use a self-tapping screw to attach the panel before welding it in to get it flush with the floor and all that. I have done that many times. On this car though, the fuel tank is not underneath, it is inside the car, so I didn't really think about where it was. Of course I knew it was there, so I was taking care when I was welding, but I didn't think that a self-tapping screw could do any damage, but it went through the floor and into the fuel tank, and when I took it out again, problem. I have fixed it using marine graded leak stop, and I have used that a lot of times before on rusty tanks, and it works perfectly. It's a bit of a shame because this tank is actually in brilliant condition, and it's always sad to destroy something rather than fix it, but now it's okay. Problem solved. Thank you. Good night. And take a look at this. Yeah, I know I like to rebuild stuff, but looking at this is also really satisfying because especially since the rest of the car looks like this, it's pretty nice to look into the wheel arch and see this. With that off, we should be able to take the water pump right out, like that. Like that. And always make sure to be able to loosen the filler plug before removing the drain plug. Yeah, no problem. Caliber and shove it into there. There we go.